Welcome to this blend of fascinating stories, mythology and money. अगर आपके पास है तो आपको और मिलेगा और अगर आपके पास नहीं है तो जो भी आपके पास है वो भी आपसे छीन लिया जाएगा. Sounds confusing, right? These lines, if you have, you'll be given more. If you don't have, whatever you have will be taken from you. These lines come from the Gospel of Matthew in the Holy Scriptures, written thousands of years ago. And these lines confused many because it seems a bit unjust. It sounds like if you are rich, you will be given more. If you are not rich, what you already have will be taken from you. But after many years of research, it was found that these lines were absolutely correct. If one word is inserted, and the word was gratitude. If you have gratitude, you will be given more. If you don't have gratitude, what you already have will be taken from you. The principle of gratitude applies to all aspects of life, including money. अक्सर हम लोगों को पूछते हैं कि भाई काम कैसा चल रहा है, धंधा कैसा चल रहा है, और सुनने को क्या मिलता है, भाई धंधों को नहीं अच्छा चल रहे हो, मार्केट में मंदी है, द गवर्नमेंट इज इंक्रीजिंग टैक्सेस. See the curious pattern. We are speaking ill of money. If we are ungrateful about money, then of course this negative momentum builds up and subtracts your money. But if you're grateful about money or whatever you are receiving, and not just receiving, if you're grateful about the essential expenditure you are incurring, then this gratitude builds up the positivity and adds up to your income. So be grateful, be respectful about money, and you will be geared up for better opportunities in life. Gratitude is a gift, and if you're receiving gifts, it has got income tax implications. Gifts received by relatives are not taxable in the income tax laws, but gifts received by non-relatives are taxable to some extent as per the provisions of the income tax laws. However, what will be the treatment if gifts are received on the occasion of marriage? This question asked by many. Gifts received by bride and groom on the occasion of marriage, whether it is received by relatives or non-relatives, the entire gift is not taxable, it is totally exempted. Stay tuned for more information and practical tips. Do subscribe, like, comment. Thank you.